Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do the worksheet 4 of chapter squares and square roots. So let's move on to the first question, that is find the square root of the following numbers by the long division method. And I have already told you, I have already made a video on long division method, how to find long division method. So I will be doing only 3 parts here, as I have told you 2 parts there only, not from worksheet, but I have given you examples, so I think that much is clear to you. So now I will be doing only 3 questions here, and rest of you can give me answers on in comment section. Okay, so let's move on to the first part, that is 9801. That is 9801. First, you all know that you have to make this, and then pairs 1 and 2. Now 98 से छोटा क्या आता है, और या ये किसी से डिविजिबल है? डिविजिबल तो नहीं है ये, तो इससे कोई छोटा आता है. what is that? That is 9 9s are 81, because 10 10s are 100, so 9 9s are 81. So here you will write 7 and 1, means 1701. Now you all know that what is the double of 9? 9 2s are 18. So here we have to add one number so that this will be completely divisible या उससे छोटा है. So what is that number? We have to find that number also. So here we will be finding this number, that is 18. So first we will be doing with 1, means 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8, 181. Then secondly, you can simply do this by the method that I have already told you, that जब भी 1 आए means it can be of 9, because 9 9s are 81. स्क्वायर रूट 9 के स्क्वायर रूट में लास्ट डिजिट 1 होता है, लाइक 9 9s are 90, 9 9s are 81. Similarly, then if you are not comfortable with that, so I can take all examples like 3 7 and 9. So 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 4 5 549. That is very small from this. So let's take one example of 7 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, then 60, 7 is 7, 8 9 10 11 12 13, means 1309. Means similarly this will be also smaller, but very much smaller than that. So now we will be taking with 9 9 9s are 81, 9 8s are 72, and 8 80, 9 1s are 9 and 8, that is 17. So 1701 is completely divisible by 9. So we will be writing here 9 and here also 9, and we will be writing 701 minus, that is 0. How you will be writing? Root 9801 is a square root of 99. So this is the answer. Similarly, we will be doing with 6561. First you have to make this 6561. 2 pairs. This is quite satisfactory. Similarly 65 किसका स्क्वायर रूट है? किसी का स्क्वायर रूट तो है नहीं. इससे छोटा नंबर क्या है? Just 64. 8 8s are 64. So this will be 1, and now you have to take this 61 here. Now what is the double of 8 here? 16. So 16, we want one number so that this will be completely divisible. This is quite visible that you need 161, means you just have to add 1 here and here also, so that 161 came. Some of you might don't know, so I can show you in multiplication also, like 161 will be divisible by 1, that is 1 1 6 and 1. 161 is the answer, completely divisible. So I think this is clear. So now you will be writing here also, like here we did, 651 is the square root of 81. Similarly this question also, 390625 means one pair of this, one pair of this, and one pair of this. Similarly 39 से छोटा होता है 36, that is of 6. So 6 6 are 36, and minus 3 306 will be the answer here. And now we have to find the double of 6, that is 12. So what should we had here, what should we want here so that this will be completely divisible और इससे थोड़ा छोटा. So 120, this is 6, means this will be coming in odd even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8. So 121 से तो होगा नहीं क्योंकि 1 की टेबल में तो 121 ही आएगा. So we will be doing with 122. So 122 divided by 2 is 4, 4 and 1, 2, 244. Now 244 जो है इससे छोटा है. We can take 123 so that we can find 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Means this is bigger than this. So we have to write this only. So 2 here and 2 here, that is 244. So 2 and 6, 62 will be here. And now 25. Now you all know that what is the double of 62? That is 64. Oh sorry, 124. 124. So 124. Now we want one number so that this will be completely divisible. So now I have told you, जो भी number 5 हो या फिर 0 हो तो वो तो 5 से ही divisible होंगे. So let me see that is it divisible by 5 or not. So 1, 2, 4, 5, that is 25. 4 5 is 20, 21, 22. 5 2 is 10, 11, 12. 5 1 is 5, 6. 6 2 2 to 5. 6 2 2 5 means this is completely divisible by 5 only. So this is 0. So similarly you will be writing this also, that 390625 is the square root of 625. So this is clear to you all. So first question is saying this much only. Now there are many big numbers also. So similarly I have taken one example there only. So I think you can do that on your own. So that will be your homework. Now we will be proceeding towards the second question. Second question is saying find the least number which must be subtracted from 6203 to obtain the perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. मतलब पहले तो हमें 6203 का लॉन्ग डिवीजन फाइंड करना है और अगर उसमें कोई रिमाइंडर बचेगा तो हमें उसको इससे 6203 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है so that will become a perfect square, and then we have to find the square root of that perfect square. So let's do this question. This is very easy. First we have to do the long division of 6203. 6203 long division. So one pair is this, one pair is this. 62 से छोटा नंबर क्या है? 7 7 is 49. क्योंकि 8 8 तो 64 हो जाएगा. That will be 64 will be greater than 62. Means 7 7 7 is 49. Subtract, that will be 13. And then 1303. Now we have to find the double of 7. That will be 7 2 is 14. So 14. Now we want one number so that this will be divisible by this or shorter than this. So what will be that number? We have to find that. First you can see that here it is an odd number. So let me take one example. Means let me find some number so that this will be divisible या फिर इससे छोटा है. So first we have to find that. So let's find that. You all know that if I will take 1 here, 141, then that will be becoming 141. Means that will be very smaller than this number. So I think I should take randomly any number and find the square root. Find that number, that is it divisible or not. So let me take 6. 6 6 is 36. 6 4 is 24. 25 26 27, and then 6 and 6 7 8 876. Means again this is smaller than this. Now we will be finding some more number, that is 147. 7 7 is 49. 7 4 is 28. 29 30 31. So 7, 8, 9, 10 means 1019 means this is also smaller than that. So now 148, 8 8s are 64, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32, and then we will add 6 means 38, 3 will be carry and 8, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1184. Now we will be doing with 149 and this is also smaller than this. So now let's see that is it divisible or not. 9 9s are 81, 4 9s are 30. Now we will be adding 8, so that will be 44. 9 1s are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 means 1341 will be the answer, means this is bigger than this. 1341 is greater than this number, so we will be taking 8, that is 1184. So in 8 table at 8 we will be writing 1184 mean subtract कर दो इसको and then you will be getting 9 1 and 1 119 you will be getting as remainder. Now you want that number, so that the least number, this is the least number which must be subtracted from 6203, मतलब ये जो नंबर है इससे माइनस होना चाहिए so that that will become perfect square. अब फिर हमें इस perfect square का दोबारा से लॉन्ग डिवीजन करके देखना है कि वो सच में है ना perfect square, square root है ना. So let's you have to write like this, that 119 should be subtracted from 6203 to make it a perfect square, to make it a perfect square, that is 6203. You have to show this also. 6203 minus 119, that will be 6084 means this is the new number, and then we have to find the square root of this number, means similarly by doing long division only. So let me do long division. This is not a rough part, you have to do this in this question itself. So 6084 means one pair is this, one pair is this. 60 से छोटा नंबर क्या होता है, similarly 7 is, so 7 7s are 49 minus 13 and then we have to put 84 here. So no 6, yes 60 13 84. Similarly we have to find now the double of 7, that is 14. Now we want one number so that this will be completely divisible by this, so that is, wait, this is 1184 not 1384. Yes, this is 1184. I done one mistake that I have right here 3. So 1, you all know that 1184 comes at 8th table. We have done this. See 1184 8 की 8 टाइम पे आ रही है. So we will be writing here 8 and here also 8, and 1184 is completely divisible, means this is the square root of 78, means 6084 is the square root of 78. Now you have to write this also na, that square root of 6084 is 78. So this is the final answer to this particular question. Now moving forward to the next question. This is very similar questions in all the worksheet. So let's move on to the third question. Now the third question is saying that find the greatest number of 6 digits which is perfect square. Find the square root of this number. 6 digit greatest number निकालना है. Now you all know that the greatest 6 digit number is, let me write first, greatest 6 digit number is 999999. This I think you all know. First we have to find the long division of this number, and then we have to find the long division of the number. If it will be completely divisible, then there is no need to find, and if the remainder remains, then we have to find that also. So first we have to do the long division of this, that is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now the long division of this, 1 pair, 1 pair and 1 pair, means 9 9s are 81, as 10 10s are is 100. So 9 9s are 81. That will be 8 1, means 189. Similarly, firstly you have to make double of this, means 18. 9 2s are 18. Now we want one number so that this will be completely divisible या फिर इसे छोटा है. So what's that number? That number is, now we will be finding this, that whether 1899 is completely divisible or not. So let's find that. So let's do this by first 6 6 are 36, 6 8 are 48, 49, 50, 51. So 6 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, means 1116. Now 1877 means 49, 7 8 is 56, means 60, 7 7, 8 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, means 1309. Similarly now with 188 means 64, 8 8 is 64, then 77, 0, 8 is 8, then 15, 1504, and then with 9, 9 9s are 81, 9 8 is 72, 80, 9 1s are 9, then 1701, 1701. So this is clear. Now 1899 means we have to take 9, as 189 doesn't come in here. The smallest number is 1701 only. So we will be writing here 9 and here also 9 and then 1701, means subtracting 8, 9, 1, 198 and then again 9, 9. Now we have to find the 99 double, means the double of 99, that is 198, and then we want one more number so that this will be completely divisible or shorter than this number. So let's find that also, means we can find that with, I think this number is also bigger, so I will be taking this with the numbers which are in ending, like I will be starting with 8, means 1988, 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64, 64 plus means 70, 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 7, 79, 8 1s are 8, now 15, means 5901 is the answer. Now we will be doing with 198, 99, 9 9s are 81, 9 8s are 72 and 8 80, 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 8 is 89, 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9 and plus, that is 7901, 7901. So this is also bigger than this, means we have to take this only. So we will be writing 9 here and 9 here, that is 17901. We will be subtracting 8, 9 and then this is 8 is smaller than 9, we will be taking carry, then 9 will be left and 1 will be left, means 1998 is the remainder here. So you will be writing that 1998 should be subtracted from 99999, इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट होना चाहिए टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, that is we have to show this also, 99999 minus 1998, that is 998001. Now what's the square of and that finally when we will be finding, then we will be writing square root, means this is the number form. Now we have to find the square root of this, means we have to do long division of this number also, that is 998001, one pair, one pair, one pair. So the number that is smaller than 99 is 9 only, that is 81, means 9 that is 81. Then the number will be 18 and 80. Now then the double of 9, that is 18. Now we want one number that is divisible by 9 or should be 9. How will be able to do that whether this is correct or not? Means this similarly this will come as 0 as remainder and the question will be same. Like in the first question we also did, the remainder is same, like 78 is here and here also 78 is here, means the question will be same. So here also we want this. So 999, here also 999 should come. So similarly, without any wasting time, we just have to multiply this by 9. So 189 we have find here only, that will be 1701, but here the number is 1880. Similarly, we will be subtracting, means 1701 minus that will be 179101. This will be answer. And now the double of 99 is, means here is also 9, so I have put it 9 here. So 99 का double क्या है? 198, and you all know 198 we want 17901, means 17901 we have already found, that is a 9 table. So this is the 9 is the number that we want. So 17901 is completely divisible with this. So the square root of 99999, the square root of 998,001 is 999. So the square root of this number is 999. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, I think this much is clear to you. This question is also clear to you. Means when you find this number, you just have to just check here, means some numbers are same, like 1701. So we don't have to multiply again and again, so that this will take much time. So I think this much is clear to you. And now we will be moving forward to fourth question. That is, now the fourth question is saying that find the least number which must be added to the 6203 to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. So I think this question has already come, that is question number 2. But there is a difference, that is, in that it is written must be subtracted, and here it is written must be added. And so how is this question going to happen? How will we going to do is simply, first we have to do the long division of 6203. Okay, but which must be added, वहाँ पे हमने subtract किया था, यहाँ पे हम add करेंगे. अब हम क्या add करेंगे वो हम देख लेते हैं एक बार पिछला क्वेश्चन देखकर. So this is the last question that we have done. Means here it is asking for subtracted from 6203. First हमने उसका वो कर दिया long division, but यहाँ पे हमने 1303 से छोटा नंबर लिया था डिविजिबल करने के लिए, बट यहाँ पे हम 1303 से एक नंबर बड़ा लेंगे नीचे. ओके, लाइक अगर 1303 से जो भी नंबर इसके आगे होगा, फिर हमें उस नंबर से इस नंबर को माइनस करना होगा, जो रिमाइंडर आएगा उससे हमें इसको ऐड करना होगा. जो यहाँ पे हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया वहाँ पे हम ऐड करेंगे, और यहाँ पे फिर सिमिलरली इस नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. लाइक फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डू दी लॉन्ग डिवीजन ऑफ 6203. 6203, that is one pair of this, one pair of this. You all know that 7 will be coming, 7 sevens are 49, and the number will be 13. and then 03 will come. Now we want the double of 7, that is 14. So what number should be multiplied with 14 so that this will become divisible, or this will means here we have to add that number. In the previous you all know that in here it is not divisible, so we have हमने इससे छोटा नंबर लिया था so that remainder come, but here it is written added, so we have to add this number. means हमें इस 1184 से एक नंबर बड़ा चाहिए, मतलब एक नंबर बड़ा नहीं चाहिए, 1303 से नंबर बड़ा चाहिए, सो दैट जो रिमाइंडर आएगा हम उसको ऐड करें यहाँ पर. ओके, सो 1303 यहाँ पे आया था 8 पे, मीन्स हमें इससे एक नंबर ज़्यादा चाहिए, मीन्स हम 149 देखेंगे. सो 149 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हैं. 149 will be 9 9s are 81, means 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 8 is 4. This will be coming 4, means 4 will come here and 4 will come as carry. So 9 ones are 9, 10 11 12 13. So 1341 is the next number which is bigger than 1303. So at 9 we will be writing 9 here and 9 here, and the number is 1341. But we have added one number, but you will be saying that 1303 तो छोटा है और 1341 तो बड़ा है, तो हम इसे माइनस कैसे करेंगे? जैसे हम माइनस करते हैं वैसे ही हम माइनस करेंगे, बड़े में से छोटे को ही माइनस करेंगे. दैट इज मीन्स वी विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 1341 फ्रॉम 1303. दैट इज 3, 11 में से 3 गए, 8, 3 and 0 0, means 38 is the remainder. Okay, 38 is the remainder. So the number here 119 is the remainder, so we have subtracted 119 as question has told us that subtract, but here it is telling us to add, so we will be adding 38 here. Means first we will be writing 38 should be added to 6203 to make it a perfect square, and then we have to show this also. 6203 plus 38 is 6241. Now we have to find the square root of 6241, that is 6241. One pair is this, one pair is this. So similarly you know that 79 should be the answer here, otherwise this will be wrong. So 7 7s are 49, so that this will be 13 and this will be 41. Double of 7 is 14. Now we want one number so that 1341 is divisible. You all know that in 9's table 1341 come, like see in 9's table 1341 come, so we will be writing here 9 and 1341 is divisible by 9, so this will be 0. So the square root of 6241 is 79. Is it clear? I think this question is clear to you. Similarly, the next question is saying the opposite of this question. Means here we have find the greatest number of 6 digit which is perfect square. Find the square root of this number. But here in fifth question it is asking that find the least number of 6 digit, मतलब greatest की जगह हमने least कर दिया, and you all know that least number is 10000 and 6 digit which is a perfect square. Similarly to this question, and also find this square root of this number. Means here instead of 999 you just have to take 10000. Okay, and then you have to do similar to this only. You have to just take 1000000, means 5 times 0 and 1. So then you will be doing long division of that. and then the remainder will come, and then you will be adding that as it is asking. So you will be adding. Here we have subtracted, but in that fifth question you have to add that. So that will be 100489, means the answer will be something like that. So you have to add instead of subtracting. Here we have subtracted, but in fifth question you have to add that. So then you have to find then the new number came, and then you have to find the square root of that new number. I think I have not told you that this is very easy, and this is the most common question that comes, means these type of questions come in your exam. 1 or 2 came. Okay, so this you have to do it very carefully. Means now I think fifth question I don't have to do here, as you all know how to do that. So in that question I am repeating once again that what we have to do, we have to just take that. Here we have asked for greatest 6-digit number, but there we have to ask for least number, that is 100000. So we have to find this long division of 10000, and then one remainder will be there. You have to add that, not subtract that. You have to add that. So when you will be adding in least number, okay, in least number, in this number you have to add that new number in this add, and then the number which will be coming, you have to just do the square root of that. After doing square root, you just have to write here like we have written, and that's the question. So I think I don't have to do this here, as you can all do. So question 5th is homework for you. Let me write here also, question 5th is homework. I have told you how to do that. Okay, then you can send me the answer in the comment section. So let's moving forward to the 6th question, that is the last question of the exercise. That is, so the 6th question is saying that we have to find the value of root 6443279 subtracting root 9653449. How to do that? First we have to take the long division of 6443279, and then we have to do the long division of 9653449, and then when we get the answer, then we have to add the questions, means you have to subtract, as this is written that we have to subtract the square root of these two. So let's do this question. First you have to make this 6443279. Then you have to make pairs, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. Means you all know that 8 is 64, means this is completely divisible. 8 8s are 64, that is 0. Now you will be writing, you will be doing 43 here, writing 43 here, and then you have to double the 8, that is 16. 8 to the 16. Now you want one number so that this will be completely divisible, but you know that 43 is smaller than this, means there will be one number will be here. Suppose that will be 161, but then 43 is smaller than 161, but it should be bigger than. So we have to write 27 also here. As similar to division, हम जब डिवाइड करते हैं, जैसे हम डिवीजन करते हैं, तो जब एक नंबर, जब हमें दूसरा नंबर भी उतारना होता है नीचे, तो हम 0 लगाते हैं. सिमिलरली वी विल टेकिंग here also 0, means here also 0. Okay, now we will be, you all know that 4327. So now you will be writing one more number, that will be, as this is 0, means you have to find the square root of 0. Oh sorry, double of 80. So 80 is 160. 160, we have already written 160 here. So you can write that you can add one more number, that is 160 के अंदर हम ऐसा कौन सा नंबर ऐड करें जिससे completely divisible हो. So I will not, now I am not showing you how to multiply वगैरह वगैरह. I am just saying, I am just doing my part. So this will come in 2's. I will be writing 2 here because now 4327 में से 3204 आ रहा है अगर हम 1602 को मल्टीप्लाई करें 2 से. सो इससे छोटा आ रहा है इसलिए हमने ये लिखा है. नाउ द आंसर विल बी 3211 and then we will be writing 29 here also. So now the double of 802, that is 1604, and now you want one number so that this will be completely divisible, that is the number is 4. Okay, this will completely divisible by this and this will be coming 0. So you all know that this square root of 6432729 is 8024, and the square root, now we will be doing the square long division of this number 9653449, means one pair is this, one pair is this, one pair is this, and there is no pair here. So you all know that 9 is the square root of 3, that is 3 into 3, and this is 0. Now you will be writing 65 here, and what is the double of 3? 6. So here we want one number so that this will be completely divisible. This is very much visible, that we will be writing here 1 only, that is 61, means 65 से छोटा तो 61 ही होगा. So 61, here we will also write 1, so 61, that is 434 will be the next number that will be coming. Now what is the square root of 31? That is 62. Now what will be the other number so that this will be completely divisible, or this will be taking. But before doing this, have you seen something that we have seen here also? That is 434 is smaller than 62 and something. So we have to take one pair more here, that is 43449. Now we have to add 0 here because we have put two pairs here. So 0. Now we want one number instead of 0 that will divide this, means that will completely divisible this, that is 7. As you have seen, 49 is a square root, means completely visible, 7. So this will be 43449, that is 0. So the square root of 9653449 is 3107. Now we will be subtracting this. Now you have to do this in your exams like this. Like first you will be writing 6443279 and minus 9653449, and the square root of this is 8024, and here this is 3107. So minus subtract this, that will be 4920. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope you understand all this. So this is the ending of this particular worksheet. I hope you understand all the concepts. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like my videos, you can subscribe, like and share my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the new updates for my new videos. Thank you.